Hi friends, this is Vineet Pandey and this is the English version of today's notice. We have received our latest notice where UGC has extended the dates of the exam. The previous dates were from 6th to 11th of October, and as I told you in my previous video that these dates are clashing with UPSC, RPSC and some other exams. I wrote a mail to UGC, and along with this, a lot of students raised the queries on social media. Finally, UGC has extended the dates. As you can read the notice, it is in front of you. You can read UGC itself says that there is UPSC exam, some other important examinations are there. So, taking the references, recommendations, and complaints from students, UGC has decided to extend the examination date. Now, please remember this thing that 6 to 8, there is an exam. From 6th of October to 8th of October, we have an exam. But from 6 to 11, the relaxation of 9th, 10th, and 11th October has been given. After this, we have the next exam from 17th to 19th October, which simply means that UGC has given us a gap of 1 week. A 1 week gap is there. The notice is in front of you. My attempt to record this video is to go for an English version. All the students who are going for crash course, willing to join crash course, we are having a crash course. You can join us and be the part of elite class at 3 a.m. Our most valuable 3 a.m. session is running. You can be the part of it. To be the part of it, you can simply WhatsApp me on 8810289637. For any query in English, WhatsApp me on the same and I will be answering you personally. Thank you so much. Stay connected.